Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, and then select the another picture, adjust the picture, copy the photo, select the copy option, and then select the text option, edit by right hand, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, and then copy the writing, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.